Setting up compliance for different countries on Oyster can seem complicated, but with the right steps, it's easier than you might think. In this quick guide, we'll walk through the key steps you need to follow to ensure compliance across different jurisdictions using Oyster. Whether you're hiring employees in multiple countries or managing a global team, this video will give you the tools you need to stay on top of compliance requirements seamlessly. Oyster is a platform designed to make international hiring easy, and one of its standout features is its ability to handle compliance for multiple countries. What this means for you is that you don't have to worry about getting lost in the complex and often confusing laws of different nations. Oyster automates much of the compliance process, making it easier to onboard employees globally. First, once you've logged into your Oyster account, head to the Compliance section. This is where you'll manage all your global hiring settings. Depending on where your employees are located, you'll need to fill in some country-specific details. But don't worry, Oyster provides a guide to help you understand exactly what's needed for each country. For each new country you're hiring in, Oyster will automatically pull up the country's legal requirements. This includes things like tax laws, employment contracts, and benefits regulations. If you're new to global hiring, this feature is a game changer. Oyster simplifies what could be an overwhelming process and ensures you're meeting all the necessary legal obligations without having to consult a dozen lawyers. Another great feature of Oyster is its tax and payroll system. As you add employees from different countries, the platform will adapt to each country's tax laws. It'll automatically calculate and manage payroll in compliance with local laws. This means you won't need to hire external payroll specialists in each country. Oyster takes care of it for you. When setting up compliance for multiple countries, the key is to understand each country's specific regulations. For example, in some countries, you'll need to provide certain benefits or fulfill specific tax obligations. Oyster makes these requirements clear, and the platform will automatically guide you through these country-specific details. This ensures that you're always compliant, even when managing a team across borders. Now, you might be wondering, what about work contracts? Oyster streamlines this by offering pre-built templates for employment contracts that meet the legal standards of each country. When you hire someone, you can send them a customized contract that's legally compliant in their location, making sure you stay protected from legal issues down the road. And don't forget, as your team grows, Oyster keeps track of the evolving compliance regulations in each country. The platform updates its features and legal templates, so you won't have to stay on top of every legal change yourself. You'll receive alerts when something needs updating, which keeps you ahead of any compliance-related changes. As you set up compliance for your international team, take advantage of Oyster's reporting tools. These tools give you insights into your global workforce's compliance status, letting you easily spot potential issues and resolve them before they become problems. Before we wrap up, here's something exciting. You can get started with Oyster for free by clicking the first link in the description below. This link will give you access to an exclusive extended free trial, so you can explore all these amazing compliance features at no cost. It's a great opportunity to dive in and see how Oyster can simplify your global hiring process. In conclusion, setting up compliance for different countries on Oyster doesn't have to be a daunting task. With automated processes, clear country-specific guidance, and built-in legal templates, you can easily manage compliance for your global team. If you're ready to streamline your hiring process and make compliance easy, don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial. Thanks for watching.